Hi guys, I'm Nikhil Chawla. Welcome to another video on the Unbiased blog. Today we're going to talk about Zinc Technologies, a lifestyle gadget and accessories brand. And we're not just going to talk about it, we're going to unbox a lot of products from Zinc Technologies. Yes, it's kind of a marathon unboxing. We'll be unboxing 6 products and not just unboxing it. We'll be giving them all away. So all you have to do is watch this video till the end, follow the instruction that we tell you to, and you can win each of these products for yourself. So let's go ahead and start unboxing these products. So as you can see, we have 6 Zinc products in front of us, and it ranges from different PC peripherals to products that you use for your mobile accessories. So we have a power bank which is 20,000 mAh power bank. We also have Zinc Technologies headphones. We also have a Zinc Technologies wired keyboard. We have a cooling pad, and we also have a UPS. Yes, not a power bank, a UPS where you can plug your appliances and make them work like routers, DVRs and other devices. And also we have a 1080p webcam. And also the 1080p camera is really important because a lot of people are taking classes online, a lot of people are doing meetings online, and the web cameras on the laptops and desktops are not that great. So we're just gonna start unboxing each one of them one by one, and you can win all of them. So let's go ahead. So first up is the Beetle headphones. They call it the Beetle, the Zinc Beetle 5155 is this model number. So let's unbox and see what comes in the box. So as soon as you open the box, you get the headphones right there sitting in a plastic casing. Just pull them out and you can see this is Zinc Technologies. There's a fabric material here, and there's a fabric material on both sides. The controls on your right hand side of the headphones, this is on and off. There's also mode to change modes. There is play pause button. You can also put a SD card, a TF card, to make sure that even if you are not connected to any Bluetooth source, you can listen to your favorite tracks, which is a great feature. You also got a mic here. Then you get an aux port that you can put in for 3.5mm cable, so you can use your port as wired headphones. And also you get a USB charging port, which is the micro USB port. Then you also have volume up and down, which also double up as forward and rewind buttons. So that's great. These are adjustable and you can pull them up according to your size. And also the fabric on the top is soft, and cushions are also really soft. Other than that, you also get the wires, which is the 3.5mm to 3.5mm cable, which can be used an aux cable, and also a charging cable with micro USB. So that's the first product that we have unboxed. Do let us know if you like this product and if you want to win this one. So this is the 20,000 mAh power bank. Looks like a bland packaging, doesn't say anything, but at the back it says it's a 20,000 mAh power bank with dual input, and it's white in color. Let's unbox and see how does it look. So this also has this happy and happy customer feedback on Amazon if you bought it from Amazon. This is the power bank. It's quite bulky because it's 20,000 mAh. Let's unbox and see how does it feel. You also have 4 LED lights to tell you how much battery is in there. Like as soon as you click it, you know that the battery is 75%. So then on the top you get a Type-C port, 2 USB ports, and a charging port for micro USB. So you can use Type-C port or you can use the 2 normal USB ports. We'll also see what else is in the box. So you get a charging cable, a micro USB charging cable to charge the power bank. So that was the unboxing of this 20,000 mAh power bank. If you really want to win it, let us know why. So now let's unbox the 1080p Full HD PC camera. It's called ZinQ 1080 because obviously it's 1080p. We'll just cut the plastic and see what comes in the box. We remove this, and then we have this brown box that we saw in the power bank. So this is how the webcam look. It says Zinc Technologies on top. It also says rotate lens to adjust focus. As this comes with a clip-on kind of a format, you can easily open this, put it on top of a PC, a desktop, a monitor, the cable attached to it. So there is a USB cable. So any of the computers, laptops that have a normal USB, you can connect directly. If you're connecting it to something like a Mac or a PC that only has Type-C, you'll have to have a dongle with you. You also get a user manual and also again a feedback thing. So that's about the Zinc camera, 1080p camera. If you want this one as a prize for the giveaway, do let us know why. So now this is an interesting device. This is the Zinc 12 volt UPS, again with 1-year warranty. So now what it does, it looks like a power bank, but it's not a power bank. You open it and you take it out and you feel that you're holding a power bank, a much smaller power bank, but it's a UPS. Now what is a UPS? UPS means uninterrupted power supply. So for exactly your power cuts or your voltage fluctuations, you can use this. And just as soon as you click on the on button, you see the green light, that means your UPS is on, and it also gives you 4 hours of backup. Also has intelligent charging, and it's really lightweight. You also get cables inside, and some output connectors. So these output connectors help you connect with other PC peripherals. So that was the unboxing of the Zinc UPS, 12-volt UPS. Do let us know if you really want to win this one. We'll move on to the next. So this is the Zinc keyboard, wired keyboard, black in color, which you would use with a desktop. We'll just unbox it and see how does it look, what all keys does it have. We'll just unbox it. And this is the regular keyboards that you would use with a desktop PC. It has a numpad, and it also has a rupee symbol, and it looks very durable. You also have stands if you want to give it a tilt. So it is there, you can give it a tilt angle. So that was unboxing of the Zinc keyboard. Now let's move on to the next product. So this is the last and final product of our unboxing and your chance to win. So this is the Zinc Technologies Cool Straight Dual Fan Cooling Pad for notebook and laptop with dual USB ports. It's black in color. We'll see how it looks. It also has a USB cable, which is braided cable, looks nice. So this is a really nice one. I really like this, and it's got huge fans, especially for people who are doing a lot of task intensive jobs like photo editing, video editing, and there are a lot of laptops that really heat up and the fans crank up. This one can take care of it. There's also a stand so that if you're using it at a tilt angle, the laptop gets stuck here. So once you put it on the stand, this is how you can adjust the tilt angles. You can move it to different angles and get the suitable angle for yourself. You also get 2 USB ports. That means once you connect it to your laptop from here, there's also one extra USB port for you to use it. So 2 USB ports, another great product by Zinc Technologies. So if you want this one, let us know why. And also do mention the laptop you're using, and we'll know why you really need it. So that was the unboxing of the Zinc Technologies notebook cooling pad. So that was our unboxing of the Zinc Technology products. Do let us know which one did you like the best and which one do you want to win for yourself. To do that, you have to follow the description below, but you can win each of these on our platform. So you have to follow us on all platforms. We'll be giving them away, 2 on Twitter, 2 on Instagram, and 2 on YouTube. But you have to tell us which one do you want and why. So that's all for today, folks. Thanks for watching the Unbiased blog. If you still haven't subscribed, you have to subscribe to be actively participating in the giveaway. So make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Please do share the video with friends and family to increase your chances of winning. Thanks for watching the Unbiased blog.